Snipers, you have to see what's happening to the Bitcoin price this Sunday, as check this out, snipers. Bitcoin right now is moving away from its realized price. And not only that, if Bitcoin were to just fill all of its CME gaps, let's assume 17,600 was a short-term bottom, there's a potential scenario where Bitcoin can move all the way up to 35,000 US dollars for an extended rally here before we start to see further downside. MicroStrategy already trading at the same prices as it was trading when Bitcoin was at 36,000 US dollars, and so many other altcoins are already back in that range. Is that a possibility? Well, there's a lot to talk about today, snipers. Let's discuss how this Sunday is going to potentially play out, because more importantly, we have equity markets opening up. Futures markets are already open as I record this video. Remember to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm if you support this content. But let's talk about some other revolving parts. Ethereum, about to test its 200-day moving average, currently facing it as resistance. In the past, it was rejected from its 200-day moving average. We're going to continue to monitor this. Also, showing confluence with where their 20-week moving average is sitting, and Apple is already 5% away from its all-time high right now. Is that a bear market to you? If Apple is 5% away from its all-time high, already breaking new highs against the S&P 500, if you were to look at the Apple against SPY chart, that's extremely positive. Check this out, snipers. Friday triggered a rare but quite bullish signal. 90% of the companies in the S&P 500 are now above their 50-day moving average. This has only happened during strong uptrends. Let's dive straight into the chart, snipers, and talk about what to expect for Bitcoin as we're still facing resistance at 24,300 as I record this video. We all know the case here. If Bitcoin can get hourly and 4-hour candle confirmations, bullish candles above 24,300, there's a potential door that will open up to 35,000 US dollars. Of course, 28,000 to 29,000 US dollars is where we'll have a pit stop, the 20-week moving average sitting near the CME gap there. But let's look at how equity markets are opening up for futures. You can see we had an extremely bullish weekly candle close for the equity markets above the 20-week moving average, indicating that there's certainly going to be potential upside into this week. Not only that, let's look at the NASDAQ. How did that weekly candle close? Extremely bullish. You can see here, not only a bullish candle, but breaking major resistance, assuming to us that if we see continued upside in the equity markets, there's a strong chance Ethereum can also break above 1980. This major resistance will open up the door to 34.54 for Ethereum. Bitcoin, certainly the laggard in this rally right now, underperforming against the equity markets. I'm going to wrap up this Sunday update with this, snipers. If you watched our video yesterday, you all know what we're monitoring for the confirmation of this breakout, and that's the Bitcoin against SPY chart. Very different than Bitcoin against the US dollar. You can see forming lower highs, not higher highs, showing weakness. If we break this symmetrical triangle, this resistance level, that's the initial and most earliest confirmation that we need that Bitcoin is ready to see some continued upside, snipers. The S&P 500, the NASDAQ are above their 20-week moving average. That could indicate a potential bull market in its early phases. Now, this bear market could have certainly been one of the fastest bear markets that we've ever seen. That's all going to be dependent upon how this week plays out, in my opinion. Apple could potentially even form new all-time highs this week. Bitcoin, confirmations above 24,300 will open up the door to 35,000 US dollars. For Ethereum, confirmations above 1980 will open up the door to 3,500 US dollars. Let's see what happens, snipers. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm for this quick Sunday update. I'm going to continue on my walk, and I'll see you guys next time, snipers.